financial type people, welcome to Finance! Before we get into the smarty pants stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you don't, you might end up with a boss like Mr. Burns, and nobody wants that. Trust me. Alright, let's talk about money. You ever notice how one day your dollar can buy you a big, beautiful, lard-lead donut with extra sprinkles? And the next day, it barely gets you one of those plain, sad-looking ones? It makes you want to scratch your head, right?
Why does my money change its mind all the time? It's like Bart pretending he did his homework. One minute you believe him, the next minute you don't.
See, a long, long time ago, before I was born, people just traded stuff. Like, I'd trade one of my perfectly good pork chops for a six-pack of Duff, but that gets complicated. What if the other guy wants a lawnmower? I don't have a lawnmower! So, they invented money. It's just paper. You can't eat it, you can't drink it, but Mo takes it for beer. So it's gotta be good for something. At first, they said every dollar bill was backed up by some shiny gold, like a rich guy's tooth. But then the government guys were like, we need more money to build. Things. So they got rid of the gold and just said, believe us, this paper is worth something. And we did, because we wanted to buy more donuts. So now, our money is only worth something because we all agree it's worth something. It's a system based on trust. Kinda like how I trust Marge will have dinner ready, even if I'm 3 hours late coming home from Mo. So why does the value go up and down? It's all about, what's that thing Lisa says? Supply and cake? No, supply and demand. Think of it like this. If the Quickie Mart has a whole mountain of donuts, they're cheap. But if there's only one perfect glazed donut left in all of Springfield, and everyone wants it, I would trade Bart for that donut. Its value goes way up. It's the same with money. And here are the reasons why. First, there's this scary word, inflation. That's when the government guys get a little too happy with the printing machine. Imagine if I had a machine in the basement that just printed money. Woohoo! I'd be rich. I'd buy all the beer in the world. But then Mo would see all my cash and say, Homer, you got a bazillion dollars. So this beer is now $1,000 a can. My money would be worthless. Then you got interest rates. This is like when a bank wants to borrow your money. If they offer you a really high reward, like a lifetime supply of bacon, everyone wants to give them their money. That makes the money more valuable. But if they only offer you a pat on the back, you're gonna keep your money in your pocket. It's like trying to get me to mow the lawn. Marge has to offer a pretty high interest rate, like 3 pies, for me to even think about it. And the biggest thing is trust. People with money are like Maggie with her pacifier. They want to put it somewhere safe and quiet. If a country is all crazy and chaotic, nobody wants to put their money there.
But if a country is stable and predictable and, let's be honest, a little boring, like my neighbor Flanders, then everybody feels safe parking their cash there.
Nobody wants to invest in a place where the leader might be a crazy person who talks to a carbon rod. Finally, there's buying and selling stuff with other countries. Let's say Springfield starts making the best couch in the world. It's got a built-in beer holder, a snack compartment, and it permanently has my butt groove in it. Everybody in Shelbyville and Capital City wants one. To buy our amazing couch, they have to buy our Springfield dollars first. That makes our money super strong, because our couches are awesome.
What if we have to buy all our Duff beer from Germany? We have to sell our dollars to get their, German money.
If we're buying way more beer from them than we're selling couches, our money gets weaker. It's a trade-off. Couches for beer. Beer. So, is it better to have strong money or weak money? My brain hurts. If our dollar is super strong, I can go on vacation and buy a whole car for $5. That's great for me. But if our dollar is too strong, then our awesome couches become too expensive for people in other countries to buy. Then the couch factory shuts down, and I lose my other job. No! The value of your money depends on trust, interest rates, and how many couches a country sells versus how much beer it buys. It's a big, confusing world out there. But don't worry your little head about it. Just keep saving a little here and there. Invest today, so tomorrow you can buy more donuts.